Okay, so we did a test of the Safe Swipe cell phone repair solution. We did it on 6 severely broken iPhones, and I mean severely. And without fail, every one on the broken side you can touch. No glass slivers at all, none. And these are like bashed. This one's really smooth. Nothing. So you can't feel any glass slivers. Some of them are a little rough where the really broken parts are, but there's no glass slivers. Now, if I'm going to touch the unfixed sides, I'm going to get some glass in my fingers. Yep. Especially, yep. Oh no, I'm not even touching that. Forget it. Ow, ow. Dang it. So you get the idea. This is a really miraculous product. Will fix your cell phone glass in 5 minutes or less for under $10, and all of a sudden you have a usable phone when 5 minutes before you were going to be cut.